Welcome to the session on handling large volume of data. Problem facing when handling large data. A large volume of data poses new challenges such as overloaded memory and algorithms that never stop running. It forces you to adapt and expand your repertoire of techniques. But even when you can perform your analysis, you should take care of the issues such as input and output, and CPU starvation because these can cause speed issues. The steps are problems, solutions, and general tips. For handling large data, we have these three steps. What are the problems and solutions and general tips? Not enough memory, processes that never end, some components from a bottleneck while others remain idle, not enough speed. So these all comes under problems. When you try to squeeze more data into this memory than actually fits, the operating system will start swapping out memory block to disk, which is far less efficient than having it all in memory. Even when you cure the memory issues, you may need to deal with another limited resource, that is time. A certain algorithms don't take time into account. They will keep running forever. A third thing you will observe when dealing with large datasets is that components of your computer can start to form a bottleneck while leaving other systems idle. Certain programs don't feed data fast enough to the processor because they have to read data from the hard drive, which is one of the slowest components of a computer. The second one is general techniques for handling large volume of data. So it is never-ending algorithms, out-of-memory errors, and speed issues are the most common challenges you can face when working with large data. The solution can be divided into three categories: using the correct algorithms, choosing the right data structure, and using the right tools. So these are the list of solutions, that means right algorithm, right data structure, and right tools for handling large data. Choosing the right algorithm. Choosing the right algorithm can solve more problems than adding more or better hardware. There are three types of algorithm that can do that: online algorithms, block matrices, and MapReduce. So these are all the list of right algorithms we can choose. Choose a right data structure. Data structures have different storage requirements but also influence the performance of CRUD operations, that means create, read, update, and delete, and other operations on the dataset. So these data structures are sparse data, tree, hash, etc. Choose the right tools. The right tool can be Python library or at least a tool that's controlled from Python. So Python tools like NumExpressions, bcalls, Numba, Blaze, Theano, Cython. So these are all the Python tools. Can use as a master to control other tools. So these are all the way to choose right tools. Number 3. General programming tips for dealing with handling large sets. The right tool can be the Python library or at least a tool that's controlled from Python. So these are all the general tips. Don't reinvent the wheel. Get the most out of your hardware. Reduce the computing needs. So don't reinvent the wheel. Use tools and libraries developed by others. Don't invent. Get the most out of your hardware. Your machine is never used to its full potential. With simple adaptations, you can make it work harder. Reduce the computing need. Slim down your memory and processing needs as much as possible. Thank you.